Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 加 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. 加 to add, plus to give support to something. For example, 加油 加油 to add oil, to cheer somebody on. Let's cheer for them. Cheer for them. 让我们为他们加油吧。让我们为他们加油吧。Let's cheer for them. 让我们为他们加油吧。Let's cheer for them. 让我们为他们加油吧。加 in cursive. 加 to add, plus to give support to something. 加油 to add oil, to cheer somebody on. Let's cheer for them. 让我们为他们加油吧。加 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 加. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.